Treat now, folks. Now we've got our first, I don't know what kind of performer you'd call him. I think he's, you can't put him in a box. Let's just bring him up. The one and only, Rudy.
Hello, may Allah bless America. The 4th of July. And it's not Julia Gillard. It's not Julia Gillard. They exed her. Right? Those fucking misogynists and sexists bastard fucked her off out of Parliament House. But if I was Julia, I know exactly what I would do. I would get with my partner, get myself onto TAFE, get a hairdresser school, and open a hairdresser salon in the middle of Parliament House and give all these bastards a head job with knives. And they would remember who was Julia Gillard sometime once long ago, yeah? You are going to need these knives soon. Because I probably look to you like somebody who is totally crazy, which I fucking am. And I probably look to you like somebody who is maybe on drugs, or maybe I am. But if Narco Squad does such a fucking good job as they brag about themselves, why the fuck blue light and disposal syringe boxes in public toilets? If they do such a good job, there should be no necessity for disposal boxes and blue lights in the public toilets, yeah? What do you think? I mean, you gotta go crazy, yeah? I'm 19 years in the taxi. I don't know why am I actually talking to you face to face. I should be talking to you like, oh, hello, how are you? Yeah, where are you going? How are you feeling today? Oh, yeah. Just total professional deformation, yeah, yeah. Okay, hey. My very first show happened here on this stage exactly 2 years ago. Ellen was MC. So, we are going to give Ellen a present. For well-deserved bottle of red. When I was here the very first time 2 years ago, I came on the stage and I said my 10 best jokes. And audience fucking sucked. Fucking nobody laughed. I thought, what a pack of dull cunts are they? Fucking, I'm killing myself here, sweating my balls off, and nobody fucking laughed. So a year after that, I improved on my humor, and I was here, somebody might remember, with 2 Swedish chicks, and I played for them Seven Nation Army, and they did a strip show for us. And if you were not here a year ago, I'm feeling really sorry about that. For celebration of 2 years, I already prepared for you 2 Kate. That's why you need fucking knives. I need a couple of girls here to help me with catering. Come on, girls. Who's the other girl? Anyone want to help? Come on. Come on. Come on. Time is going. I've got only 5 fucking minutes. There you go. Now you can have your little dessert. You can have your little dessert now. And you're probably wondering why I am dressed like this and why are my fingernails painted black and why I wear only 1 sock. It's because of alcohol. I think. And I think it'd be really good for you to keep on drinking because that will make you crazy like me. As you can see, alcohol is a huge trouble in Barrenshire area, huge. And because of alcohol and because of our police and a council, we don't have any more wet t-shirt competition in Chicken Monkeys. And I am fucking broken hearted. I love Thursday, even if I was in a taxi, I'd sneak out between 9 and 10, give big nice hello to bouncers and they would let me in, and you know, and I mean, you want to be sober on an event like that, you don't want to get pissed. You don't want to get pissed and forget. You want that image of 19-year-old Scandinavian set of tits be burned in your fucking brain for the rest of your life. You don't want to lose that, yeah? And one more thing that we haven't got is, and this is why I am dressed like this and why I wear one sock, and that is because we don't have in Aquarius backpackers in Byron Bay anymore girls jelly wrestling competition. And I am devastated because on Monday nights I would dress like this and disguise. And even, you know, us Eastern European girls, we have a little goatee. Yeah, so don't worry about a little facial hair for Eastern European girls. They're just normal. If they haven't got one here, they got one here. Yeah? But the first time I saw it, I went, fuck, I'm gonna now fuck Adolf Hitler. It looked like Adolf Hitler between her legs. Yeah? But what happens is, you have to, if you two girls are competing in girls jelly wrestling, they come in the swimming pool and one girl needs to take sock off the other girl 3 times during competition and then she wins. But sometimes bikinis come off, so you have to be very careful to have a secure bikini. Yeah, and I have one. You have to look good. Yeah, you have to look good and then you're all cool. Yeah. All right. With this, I think I'm gonna finish up. Enjoy the cake, kill it, and then you kill your wine. And thank you very much. All the best.
Keep